What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is another Tech Tuesday video. Welcome back to another bite-sized video. So today I'm carrying on with my mass of Black Friday unboxings. There is another item which I have here ready from the last box which I opened. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is because I know it came in the same delivery. So not so much of a surprise this time, but man, I'm excited to have a look at this product. This is going to be insane. So I hope you guys stick around for the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video to see more. And feel free to please share this with your friends and family. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And if anyone else has got any of these items or you want to see more or anything specific, leave me a comment down below because I'd love to hear what you guys think. So I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Even though it's face down. Oh my god, that box is heavy. Okay, this is the Xbox Wireless Elite Controller version 2, the upgrade. Oh my gosh, the Series 2 Elite Controller. Let me just say, I recently switched over to Xbox. I'm loving it so far. I bought the Xbox One X. The 4K on this TV behind me looks amazing. And as you can probably tell, this isn't the biggest 4K TV, so any of you guys that got a bigger 4K TV, I'm pretty sure that's going to look absolutely fantastic on there. So yeah, this all came from Amazon. It's brand new, sealed, and to be honest, this is my birthday present to myself. Oh, look, it's green inside. Even that excites me. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that, the green on the inside of the box. I love the touch like that. And that case, the Xbox logo on it. That's a hard case, so that's good. This is the case where you can charge it as well, I think. Yeah, it is. So you can see there's a little clip. You unclip it and there's a USB-C inside. So yeah, you can actually charge the Xbox wireless controller through the case. And that just ensures that it's protected. Oh my gosh, that is nice. By the way, if you haven't checked it out already, do go watch my video at the Xbox/Microsoft store in London, where we go check out a whole bunch of Xbox stuff there. And yeah, because these were not on sale when we went to that shop for the first time. There was only the version 1, so this is the first time I'm seeing the Elite 2. Wow, that is... Wow! That is really good. Wow, that is the difference there. Look, I don't know if you can see this. You can see how far you can press down that button and how far you can press this one down. Now that is like rapid fire mode there. Wow, I cannot wait to try this with like Call of Duty. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is gonna be so nice. Okay, so yeah, you can see the wireless dock inside. So that's how it charges it, by contact. And it's got all the accessories there. And it also comes with a very cold metal key. Oh wow, you can take it out. Oh my gosh. The wireless adapter where you charge it from. So it connects at the back by USB-C, which I love. The controller itself has got USB-C on it too, if you want to charge it that way. And it's got a magnetic touch to the controller. So as you can see, but let me just say, it's not that strong. Don't try to hold it upside down and test it. The controller will fall off. It's got a bit of weight. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. This has been the Microsoft Xbox Wireless Elite Controller version 2. What a mouthful. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up icon, don't forget to like this video. You know the usual, share it with your friends and family. I'll see you guys in the next video. There's another unboxing coming, and these Tech Tuesday videos, hopefully I'll be able to keep these up. So, you know, with all your support, I hope to see you in the next video. Take it easy guys, peace.